Hey guys, this is Austin with Tiger Properties. I'm over here today at the University Cottages at Ingles Crossing. I want to do a quick demonstration on how to replace the air filter in your HVAC unit. First and foremost, it is located in the top left bedroom in your unit. This is important to do every month in order to prevent any fire hazards as well as to keep your HVAC system running smoothly. What you're going to want to do first is to find the system in the closet here. As you can see, it is clearly labeled the size of the filter that you will need. It's 16 by 20 by 1. So the first step you'll do is you'll remove it from the system. That will come straight out like that. And then you will take your new filter, which it is also important to note that there is an arrow on the side of the filter. You will put that in facing up. And that will go straight into the unit as the same way you had taken it out. And that's it. So like I said, this is super important to do about once every month just to make sure this is running smoothly. It won't build up and won't have any fire hazards. If you have any questions about this at all, you can contact our leasing office at 864-654-7368. Thanks and have a great day.